Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
Email allows you to communicate with people within your organization and around the world if you are connected to the Internet. Email also provides a convenient way of sending information to people in different time zones, as there is no need to worry about the time difference. The person will receive your message when they next log in to their email account. In order to send an email, you must know the recipient's email name and address. When emailing people within your organization, this address may be the same as their network logon or user ID. You should check with the person responsible for implementing your internal email system as to what the appropriate address for intra-organization mailing would be. A typical Internet email address may look something like info@someplace.com. In this case, info is the account name, and the @someplace.com is the email domain. Outlook allows you to send email to people on the company network or on the Internet. This is achieved through the use of the inbox folder in your Outlook account. The inbox, as the name implies, is the computerized version of an in tray on a traditional desk. All incoming messages are placed into the inbox folder. From there, you can read, print, reply to, forward, and delete the messages as required. To open the inbox folder in your Outlook account, you would click the Mail button in the navigation bar or navigation pane. You can then select the inbox folder within the folder pane if needed. If there are any unread messages in your inbox folder, the number of messages waiting to be read will appear next to the inbox within the folder pane. When you receive any type of message in Outlook, it will go into your inbox folder. In the list of messages displayed in the inbox folder, Outlook will display icons next to the messages to indicate the status of the message visually. All unread email in your inbox will appear bolded. Once you have read an email, it will display using a normal font face. You can also view its status using the message status indicators, which let you know which email is read and unread. In Outlook 2013, a thin blue line will appear at the left side of the message if it is unread. The line will then disappear once it has been read. In Outlook 2010 through 2007, an envelope icon that is either opened or closed will be shown to the left of the message. To read the messages in your inbox folder, you can double-click on the message to view its contents in a new window. The header of the message will tell you who sent the message to you, when it was sent, and the subject. After you have opened an email, it may be necessary for you to print it. To do this, if using Outlook 2013 through 2010, click the File tab in the ribbon at the top of the message, and then select the Print command from the left side of the Backstage view. You can then click the Print button that appears to the right in order to print the message. If you're using Outlook 2007, click the Microsoft Office button within the message window, and then click the Print command. When you've finished reading your message, you can click the X in the upper right corner of the Email Messages window to close the message window. To check for new messages on all of your email accounts that have been configured in Outlook, you can open the Inbox folder. If you're using Outlook 2013 through 2010, you can then click the Send Receive All Folders button that appears in the Send Receive button group on the Home tab in the ribbon. If you're using Outlook 2007, click the Send Receive button in the standard toolbar, or select Tools, Send Receive All from the menu bar. When you want to delete a message from the inbox folder, simply click on the message that you want to delete in order to select it. If you want to delete multiple messages, simply click on the first message that you want to delete in order to select it. hold down the Control key on your keyboard, and then click the other messages to select them as well. When you've selected the message or messages to delete, simply click the Delete button that appears in the Delete button group on the Home tab in the ribbon if you're using Outlook 2013 or 2010, or click the Delete button in the standard toolbar if you're using Outlook 2007. Note that when you do this, you are not actually deleting the message, but rather you are moving the message to the Deleted Items folder, where you will then have to permanently delete it by dumping the contents of the folder at a later point in time.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.